Kneeling in his driveway to inspect the damage wrought by an unfortunate accident, Simon Marks had no inkling that this event would unravel a mysterious tale entwined with the history of his new home in Luton, England. Before we let you know what is happening, help us out by clicking the like button, and also be sure to subscribe and click the notification button so you don't miss our future videos. At the age of 37, Simon was lured by the allure of a budget-friendly house, oblivious to the enigma shrouded within. Swift paperwork and the transfer of ownership raised no alarms, and Simon eagerly settled into his new abode, anticipating a shorter commute to the office. The enigmatic turn of events began one night as Simon lay in bed, worn out from the move. A peculiar sound, akin to gravel scraping on metal, disrupted the silence. Investigating, Simon peered into the garden, finding nothing amiss. Unbeknownst to him, something clandestine was stirring beneath his residence. The subsequent day, as Simon attempted to reverse his car, an unsettling revelation awaited him. The driveway had cracked and, to his dismay, began collapsing, revealing a concealed secret beneath. Kneeling down, Simon discerned a rusted piece of metal protruding from the soil. Eager to unveil the mystery, he summoned his father, Gerald, to aid in the excavation. With meticulous removal of concrete, a rectangular hole emerged, exposing a rusty ladder leading into darkness. Simon, despite a peculiar sensation, ventured halfway down the ladder, employing his phone to capture the extent of the subterranean passageway. Two concealed rooms hinted at an eerie past. Subsequent research uncovered that the house was erected on land previously employed for a World War II-era air raid shelter. The elderly former owner, choosing not to divulge this information, had filled in the shelter while constructing the house and garden. Simon and Gerald persisted in their excavation, unearthing artifacts like a wartime newspaper and evidence of stocked provisions. Divergent from typical Anderson-style structures, the shelter bore witness to the community's endeavors during the war. As Simon and his father toiled diligently, news of their historic discovery disseminated, attracting reporters and inquisitive neighbors. Propelled by a sense of responsibility to preserve history, Simon envisioned restoring and designating the shelter as a historical monument. His goal was to ensure that this fragment of wartime heritage wouldn't fade into obscurity, allowing future generations to forge a connection with the past.